Hey guys, we are back and we are on day 9 of our 12 days of Christmas. I hope you guys are enjoying the tutorials up until this point. If you are, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. Today we are doing a little bit of a throwback to one of my previous tutorials I did quite a while ago, but I'm doing it Christmas edition. This is a fun one and I'm excited to show you, so let's get started. Today we will be working on a True 22 from the Still Magnolia. Make sure you check the description down below for a discount code. I am using an 80 grit sanding block and I am just roughing up the surface to ensure good adhesion with our paint. And then I am going to take a white chalk paint and base coat the entire thing white. You can use a spray paint here if you'd like. I'm just a huge chalk paint fan because I can do it inside my home. Once your cup is base coated white and completely dry, we're going to go on to our next color. I chose Dixie Belle's Barn Red. I'm just going to put a little bit on a piece of paper here and dab off majority of the paint. And then I am going to apply it with some dry brush strokes using a chip brush. That red is all dry, which it doesn't take very long at all, only a few minutes, just because we did those dry brush strokes. We're going to go on to our next color. I am using the green called Kudzu. I believe it's from Dixie Belle, and I really don't know how to say it, but that's how I'm going to say it. So we're going to go with that name, and we're going to do the exact same thing where you're just going to dab a little bit off on the paper and then apply some dry brush strokes using a chip brush. Feel that you got a little heavy-handed in some areas, you can go back in with that white and use it kind of like an eraser and soften some of those harsh lines. Once that paint has dried, I'm going to take some Mod Podge in a needle nose tip squeeze bottle, and we are just going to apply some of that Mod Podge in kind of like long kind of scratchy scribbles is kind of what I like to describe them as. And then place on a coordinating glitter. This first glitter is a really pretty, what I kind of like to call a soft red. It's not like super red. I don't know, it's just really pretty, but it's called Red Glare. And we're just going to apply that sporadically on our cup wherever we feel we need to add a little pizzazz. Once you have gone all the way around your cup with your squiggles and your red glitter, we're going to move on to our second color and do the exact same thing, still placing them sporadically on the cup. And this time I went with the glitter color that is like a really soft green called Morning Dew. You can stop with the two colors if you wish, but I really wanted to incorporate one more color, and I went with a Beekeeper. It's just like the prettiest kind of golden yellow without it being like super golden. I don't know, maybe a soft gold. I don't know what you would call it. I just really like the color, so I wanted to add some more elements in here. So we're just going to go around and find those bare spots, add your little squiggles, and add the glitter color Beekeeper. Once your Mod Podge and glitter has dried all the way, you're going to spray seal your cup at least a couple times with a clear spray sealer. And then once that spray sealer is all dry, add a coat of epoxy. I thought this cup was just screaming festive. So I went and found a decal on Etsy that said Festive AF, and I almost said it. It's hard for me just to say the initials sometimes. But that's just how this cup was like giving me the vibe. So we are definitely Festive AF. So apply your decal once your epoxy is all cured. Now that you've got your decal applied, it is time to add another layer of epoxy. And here is our super festive tumbler all finished. This is a throwback to a design I did a couple years back, and every time I make it in different colors, I fall in love again. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust. Thanks so much for watching, guys.